While everyone's still obsessing over ChatGPT, I've spent years implementing AI into some of the most important businesses in society, such as schools, hospitals, and government. So I'm going to share the 5 newest AI trends that you need to grow your business going into 2026. By the end of this video, you will know how to stop drowning in work, save time and money instead of being distracted by the hype. Most people think AI just answer questions, but it could run your entire workflow while you sleep. So what are the 2 types of AI you should know about? First, they are AI agents, and these can complete single tasks when you tell it to. But then there is agentic AI, which can figure things out on its own, plan steps, try different things. It even keeps going until it reaches the goal, all without you having to spend your hard-earned time in managing it. Think about when something breaks or a service goes wrong and you are stuck on hold forever. Maybe you can think of a time you've even had to drive all the way to a local store just to get help. It's annoying and it wastes time. However, I helped a business fix this exact problem by using AI to give customers the right answers instantly. No waiting, no hassle. It became an instant win for everyone. That way, you get to stop drowning in repetitive tasks and focus on work that excites you. The question isn't, should I use AI? But instead, why aren't I using AI to automate repeatable work? And that's why AI employees are just the first of the many trends we are going to see in 2026. However, AI that thinks for itself is useless without the right foundation, which brings us to the second trend. But real quick, if you are looking to grow your business using AI and technology, check out the link in the description. Did you know that 44% of the Americans avoid checking their bank account? We have normalized running away from taking responsibility of poor behavior. However, the Hilton hotels decided to change this. They tested out some new AI that was able to track what food ingredients were being thrown out of the most from the chefs. This discovery led to a 76% reduction in the food waste, reducing both their environmental impact and damage to their profits. So that's why you are probably sitting on a gold mine of valuable data that AI can help discover and turn into incredibly beneficial rewards, ultimately helping both you and your customer experience. That's why people are treating it as a new gold rush. Therefore, the second trend is that we are going to start seeing AI reveal what's working and what's wasting your money. But here's the thing, money saved is money earned, only if your business is able to function without the headache of technology failing. If your reputation gets hurt, customer doesn't give you second chances. They just walk out door and warn others. So instead of humans clicking through your app or website looking for bugs, AI does it automatically, way faster. It's like having a robot that upgrades the foundations of your house from a wooden shack to a rock-solid fortress. This is known as AI testing, and it's by far one of the biggest game changers for your business. AI makes your system more reliable and removes the old reality where you are stuck praying that nothing breaks, because it eventually will. Trust me, I see it all the time. That's why we're going to start seeing more AI testing, easier upgrades, better and safer systems. Now AI testing and upgrades create unstoppable businesses. But what about protecting yourself from people who are actively trying to hurt you? The reality is you are going to start seeing deepfakes, scams, fake reviews, and AI-generated lies. Why? Because the internet is a minefield and trust is at all-time low. They are even calling it a trust recession. But you don't have to live in a dystopian nightmare. One of the many AI solutions is email scam detection, which can look for micro mistakes and flag it. This is known as digital trust, and it means you get to go from second guessing what's real, like you are living in the Truman Show, to sleeping better at night. You might think you can wait and see how AI plays out, but while you're waiting, competitors are moving 3 times faster. Think about it. If just one of your competitors are using AI to cut waste and optimize spending, whether it be 10% or 100% better margins, they'll undercut your prices but still make more money than you. The anxiety of am I falling behind becomes reality when you see what other people are able to achieve in hours that takes you weeks. So that's exactly the last AI trend of 2026. It's not about whether AI will replace you. It's about whether you'll get replaced by someone who does know how to use AI. If you don't start using it now, you'll simply fall behind.